Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your GY6 50cc or 150cc scooter. And the tools needed guys is a 17mm socket, a ratchet, oil drain pan, and I like to use some 1040 motorcycle oil. You can probably use some conventional oil, but that will be your choice guys. So let's go ahead and get that changed. Okay guys, so the first step when changing your oil, you want to remove your dipstick so that we don't have any pressure buildup and we can get all the old oil out guys. So next we'll put our drain pan in, and then we can grab our 17mm socket. And you want to loosen it to the right guys, so going clockwise. And be careful as there's a spring and a strainer in there, so you want to make note of that guys. So there's our spring, and my oil looked like that because the gas was mixing with the oil as I had a faulty petcock. So I already replaced that guys, and you can go ahead and check out that video. So let's let that drain for a while and then we'll go ahead and get some fresh oil in guys. So now we can go ahead and tilt this scooter a bit guys over to the right side so that we can get everything out of the crankcase. So we can just let that sit for a second guys, and then we do the same thing again. And we can just continue repeating that process until we are satisfied with the results. So a quick tip guys, what I like to do as well is just run a bit of fresh oil through the crankcase before I tighten my drain plug. So that way it kind of gives me a better flush of the system. So you can do that as well guys to get everything flushed out. So you want to see a constant flow of oil guys, and then clean oil. So let's get everything back together guys, and then we can add our fresh oil, and then we're good to go. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, so let's just go ahead and get everything retightened and get our fresh oil back in. And you don't want to over tighten your drain plug here guys, you just want to get it snug. That is it guys, so let's go ahead and get our fresh oil in. Okay guys, so these scooters call for 750 milliliters of oil, so which will be 3/4 of this bottle. So let's go ahead and get that in guys. And we can just check it as we go along so we don't overfill the engine. So let's go ahead and check that guys. So we can take a bit more. So there we go, guys. So now we can just insert our dipstick, and as we ride it around we can just check it as we go along. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. You all are greatly appreciated. God bless you all. I see you all on the next one. Thank you.